Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the Optrel Crystal 2.0. Now, if you haven't seen my other video on the Crystal 2.0 where I do an unboxing and try it out, check that video out. We'll link it below, but this is just a refresher video. So this Crystal 2.0, I've been using it now for probably 3 months, and awesome hood. Use it every day. I use it on the auto setting, and I set the shade to normal. It auto darkens to the exact shade you need. It is an awesome hood. Now, today though, some people have been yelling that the headgear isn't uncomfortable, or it's uncomfortable, that it's kind of older style and crude. I personally like the headgear a lot. It's simple, fits my head really nice, sits on my head really nice, but they came out with this, what they call a Headgear Halo. So what this piece does, it snaps into the top part of your headgear. So it just came in the mail today. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to put it on there and try it out, see how it fits. So this unit right here is $11 at bakersgas.com. It's just an $11 option for your headgear if you have a Crystal. But it's pretty simple to put on. It just, you have this pointed to the back, and that clip, as you can see, goes like that. You just push down, and it should, clip right there. So it sits in the top of your headgear like that. And it's supposed to disperse the weight better on top. So let's give this a shot. Yeah, that made it a whole lot better, actually. That's pretty neat. It's amazing that something like that just kind of changes the whole way that headgear fits. It actually, takes a little bit of pressure off the front and the back, and it feels pretty nice on the top of my head. I really love this hood because it stays up. When I put it up, man, it's clear. I know the viewing area isn't the biggest out there, but the clarity on it's unbelievable. So for 11 bucks, you can get that little piece, snaps in there, pretty simple. So we also are offering a refresher bundle. So it comes with, the refresh bundle comes with inner and outer lenses, headbands, and it comes with the Headgear Halo. So that unit is $49 for that refresher bundle. But I'm gonna throw a promo code out to you guys because I appreciate you watching my videos. And we're gonna call it Refresh 10, and you get $10 off that bundle. So essentially you're paying $1 for that Halo headgear. That's only a limited time offer, so get on there and put Refresh 10 in. Click on the bundle package, Refresh 10, get 10 bucks off. Well, thanks again for watching. Like I said, if you haven't watched my first video on the Crystal, watch that, and then watch this one. Man, these are awesome hoods. I know they're a little bit on the premium end of the price, but you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more.